The possibility of an iPhone 17 mini is an exciting prospect for many Apple enthusiasts, but the chances of it becoming a reality seem quite low. Apple discontinued the mini lineup after the iPhone 13 mini, likely due to lower sales compared to its larger counterparts. There is also speculation that the iPhone SE 4 might be on the horizon, offering a more affordable alternative. If Apple were to bring back the mini, it would need to address key concerns that led to its discontinuation. A device featuring the latest A19 chip, an advanced dual-camera system, and a high refresh rate display in a compact form would undoubtedly attract users who prefer smaller smartphones without compromising performance. However, battery life has always been a challenge for compact models, and with the increasing demands of AI-powered features, a more efficient battery would be crucial. Pricing would also play a significant role, as previous mini models were not significantly cheaper than standard versions, making them less appealing to buyers who could get a larger screen for slightly more money. While an iPhone 17 mini remains speculative, it is not entirely out of the question. If demand for compact flagship phones increases, Apple might reconsider its strategy. With foldable technology advancing, Apple could even explore the possibility of a compact foldable device that offers a small form factor while unfolding into a larger screen when needed. Until then, fans of smaller phones may need to rely on older mini models or consider brands that continue to cater to this segment. Should Apple decide to reintroduce the Mini, it would be interesting to see how it differentiates the model from the SE series, while keeping it relevant in an ever-evolving smartphone market. There has also been some confusion regarding the iPhone 16e and the potential iPhone SE 4. Similar to how Apple introduced the iPhone XR after the iPhone X as a more affordable alternative, the iPhone 16e follows a similar pattern as a simplified version of the iPhone 16, rather than being an SE model. This suggests that Apple could still be working on the iPhone SE 4, possibly aiming for a release next year. The SE series has remained a popular choice for budget-conscious users who want modern features at a lower price point, and its sales performance does not indicate an imminent discontinuation. If Apple decides to launch an iPhone 17 mini, it would likely need to be priced competitively to attract buyers. A price under $700 could make it a more appealing option, especially if it comes with notable improvements over previous mini models. However, as of now, there is no official confirmation about its release, and fans of smaller iPhones will have to wait and see if Apple decides to revive the lineup.